Hey, good morning, it's John with GreenKey. We are at a customer's house getting ready to install I believe it's a ChargePoint EV charger. And I'm gonna just show you everything and then we'll get to work. So we'll start with this. This is our panel. We'll be installing a 60 amp breaker in the panel. Be coming out in the junction box, running conduit up, around, and down. And the charger will go right here on the corner. And here's a picture of the box, and we'll be back to show you what it looks like when we're done. All right, so we're done with the install. Let me show you what we've got. So over here in the panel, we installed a 60 amp double pole breaker, and we labeled the panel EV charger. We've got our wire come out into this junction box. Originally, we were gonna run our conduit up top, but because the ChargePoint charger actually wires from the bottom, we decided to go ahead and run conduit low. So we went under the stairs here and up into the charger. So that is our afternoon ChargePoint installation. Y'all have a great day.